America's inbred. In comparison to the rest of the world, the USA isn't a very inbred country, but that doesn't mean there's no problem areas. Most famously, Alabama. But not just Alabama, but 70% of inbreeding happens in rural areas of the southeast. And to pinpoint that a tad more, the southern region of the Appalachians. You would think the more people there are, the more chance there is of inbreeding. But that's not quite right, because it's heavily affected by isolation. Not only is this area poverty-stricken, making the access to transportation difficult, but the terrain in the area is not easily manipulated, making pocket towns. When families settle, they're less likely to leave. Thus, interbreeding in the community is more common. The Whitaker family of Odd, West Virginia. Also, do not think inbred equals bad people. These people are very kind and very loving. Think more of inbred equal people in a bad situation. And now, quite possibly the most famous inbred family of all America, also in the Appalachian region, but this time in Kentucky around Troublesome Creek, they used to be known as the Blue Fugates, mainly for one obvious reason. Their skin is blue. They moved into Kentucky in the 1800s, and if the incest wasn't enough to make them shunned from society, their blue skin was making them less and less social. As they retreated from the outside world, the blue skin became more common. But not all of them had blue skin, just most of them. It was caused by methemoglobinemia, causing the blood to appear brown, which caused the skin to appear blue. Benjamin Stacy was the last known of the Fugate family, still living. Though there are still ancestors of the Fugates in the South, none of them have blue skin, none of them are traced. But if you're white and a carrier of this mutation, while living in the US, there's a pretty good chance you have some linked ancestry. But for a pretty apparent reason, people don't go looking to see if that's part of their lineage.